Have you heard about ChatGPT?
Yeah, I have. It's an AI chatbot, right?
Exactly. It's designed to converse with users.
How does it work?
It uses a large language model to generate responses.
What's a language model?
It's a kind of AI that understands and generates human-like text.
So, it can talk like a person?
Yes, it can answer questions and provide information.
Where does it get its information from?
It's trained on a wide range of internet text.
Does it know everything then?
Not everything. It's limited to what it was trained on.
Can it make mistakes?
Yes, it's not perfect. It can give incorrect or biased responses sometimes.
Is it easy to use?
Very easy. You just type in a question or statement.
What kind of things can you ask it?
Almost anything, from science questions to advice on cooking.
Can it write stories or poems?
Yes, it's quite good at creative tasks like that.
What about languages? Can it speak different ones?
Yes, it supports multiple languages.
Is it always accurate in translations?
Mostly, but it can make errors, especially with complex phrases.
Can you have a long conversation with it?
Yes, but it's better with shorter exchanges.
Does it remember past conversations?
No, it doesn't retain personal data or past interactions for privacy.
That's good for privacy, right?
Yes, privacy is a big focus.
Can it learn from its interactions?
It doesn't learn in real time, but gets updated over time.
Where can you use ChatGPT?
On various platforms, like websites or apps.
Is it free to use?
Some versions are free, others might require payment.
It sounds pretty interesting.
It is, you should try it out.